Alright, got a package delivered today. Pretty sure these are the accessories I ordered. Great. There we go. Yep, GoPro accessories. Alright, let's see what new toys I have. Got a roll bar mount. Thought this would just be a little bit bigger version of the handlebar seat post mount, but I see there are some differences. We're looking forward to using this. This is the tripod mount. And the suction cup. It's a fair size suction cup. Some additional hardware included. Alright. Well, as I have a chance to test this stuff out, I'll post more videos.